Have you ever heard the saying, the money's in the list? That may very well be one of the biggest myths in online marketing. Hey everybody, what is going on? This is Hernan Vazquez, and for the past 7 years, I've been dedicated to helping entrepreneurs and business owners getting more sales and leads through the use of paid digital media, like for example, Facebook ads and sales funnels. Now, I keep hearing this over and over again from my clients that come to me because they think that they need to build this enormous list in order for them to get a lot of sales and clients. So in other words, they think that their profit is tied to how big their list is. So at one point in my career, I decided that I would go ahead and test this theory, all right? What would happen if all that I would do is to build a big list of subscribers and then see if that will impact directly on the income that I was making at the time. So it was a pretty cool experiment. We put together kind of a giveaway. We decided to target the outdoor enthusiasts, people that like hiking and camping and outdoor activities and whatnot. And we decided to go ahead and gather a bunch of products online from the internet, a bunch of products that were related to that audience, like backpacks, and tools and whatnot, everything that they would need to actually get more of whatever they're doing, that hobby and whatever it is that they were wanting to do. So what we prepared was a really simple landing page, with my team. We prepared a really simple landing page, and we were giving away stuff. Like we would say, hey, sign up here and you will have a chance to actually win one of this stuff, like a backpack or a jacket or something like that. And it was really cool. Like the prices were really cool, they were really high value, and we had a lot of success building that list. At some point we were getting leads for, I think it was under 10 cents. So we were getting leads in the US for under 10 cents using Facebook ads, which for me was amazing. Now here is the main issue though. The main issue wasn't that we were building this big list. The main issue is that we would do the giveaway. The giveaway was legit, it was for real, so we would actually give away this amazing stuff. And then we would send an email saying, hey, you didn't want, don't worry, here's the link to purchase with a discount. And nobody would buy. So even if we were building this really cool list of people interested about a topic and whatnot at a fantastic, phenomenal rate, it was really fast. It was, we were getting hundreds and hundreds of leads per day. The reality is that we weren't necessarily increasing the revenue that we were making. And it would make sense, right? Like all of these people signed up for something for free. Now, when you're trying to sell them something, it can become a little bit more difficult. So what we decided to do after that, after seeing that our income wasn't growing, we decided to do something a little bit different. So instead of going out there and trying to build the biggest list ever, we decided to go ahead and make them put a little bit of money for the admission. So instead of being a free giveaway, it was a paid giveaway. But not only that, we would also give them, I think it was a multi-tool. So they would pay like $3 and they would get this awesome multi-tool, and also they will get into the giveaway. So what happened next was pretty curious and amazing at the same time. The amount of leads, we were paying anywhere between 8 to 12 cents per lead. So we were getting hundreds of leads per day and whatnot. And once we make that switch, we went from, I think it was like 200, 300 or 500 leads on some days to maybe 20 or 30. So we started paying 10 times more per lead. So instead of paying 10 cents, we were paying $1 or $1.50 or $2, which was still really good. But nothing like the 10 cents per lead. That was pretty cool. Now what happened next was pretty awesome. We went ahead and we did the giveaway, right? We said we pick a winner and whatnot. And then we say, hey, you didn't win, don't worry, here's a discount. And with that email alone, we made close to $5,000 on that email alone. So if you think about it, this is what we did. We pre-qualified people, right? We weren't just giving something away for free and expecting people to actually come and buy from us. We were pre-qualifying people with a small amount of money. There are a lot of names for this. Some people call it a tripwire. Some people call it like a self-liquidating offer because you're getting some of the investment back on ads. But the reality is that made all the difference. So it's not that the money is in the list. The money is in two main things. Number one, what type of people you have in your list. You have people that just sign up for everything. Are your leads qualified enough? Do you have high value leads? And number two, which is most important in my opinion, is what type of relationship you have with your list. Like we have these clients that they have small lists and they're making 6 figures because they have an amazing relationship. They worry on, giving them good content, foster that relationship, but they're killing it with a really small list. So there you have it. I hope this helps you changing, a little bit about your mindset, that you focus on the quality of your leads. And if you think this is helpful, please feel free to share with somebody that needs to see this. And I'll see you really, really soon.